Pretty intuitive, right? Without further ado, let's guide you step by step on how to build your very own MimiClaw. First, open our MimiClaw code with VS Code. After opening the code, go to the main folder and open the MimiSecrets file. Please fill in the correct Wi-Fi name and password you are using here. Try to make it the same as the one your computer is connected to in the local network. These two are the ID and key of the robot AI platform you are using. Next, I will take the FaceU platform as an example to teach you how to obtain your own key. Of course, you can also use the Telegram platform. Next, search for FaceU in the browser, go to the official website, open Platform, click on the developer console in the upper right corner, and here create your own apps. Enter the name and personalized settings for your apps here. After the creation is completed, you can find the ID and key of the apps you created in the first column on the left side under Credentials and Basic Info. Then put these two values into the code you just wrote. Next, we move on to the permission management. Locate batch import/export permissions and open the permission configuration JSON. Paste the code we provided into this section. This code is available in the link below our video. After pasting it in, save and add it. Ensure that the addition is successful. Next, we move on to the Events and Callbacks page. Here, we select the subscription mode for configuration, use continuous connection to receive events, and after setting it up, save the changes. Then on the event configuration page, click Add Event. Here, search for the information in the screen, select it and add it. So we have completed all the relevant configurations. Finally, we go to Version Management and Release. Click the Create Version button on the top right corner. After filling in your own app's information here, you can release it. Wait for a moment and the release process will be completed. Only after the release is completed will the previous configurations truly take effect. Now we have reached the chat interface. Let's add the robot MimiClaw that we just created. Click on Workplace in the left sidebar and enter the name of the robot you created in the search box. Then you can start chatting with it. After the code is burned onto the Crowpanel Advance 5-inch HMI, you will be able to have a conversation with it in this interface and let it do some interesting things. Finally, let's come back to the code. Here, you need to fill in your OpenAI or Anthropic API credentials and write down the name of the model you are using. This part is for you to apply for and fill in by yourselves. Now let's talk about how to upload the code. First, we need to open the SDK configuration. Here, search for PSRAM and set it to octal mode PSRAM and 80 MHz clock. This is because the buffer size required by the screen is relatively large, and the buffer needs to be placed in PSRAM. Then set the font size used by LVGL. Since in the code we are using the 20th font of LVGL. Finally, the frequency of FreeRTOS is set. In FreeRTOS, the frequency is set to 1000 Hz, which is done to enable the blocking function to perform blocking at a 1 ms level. Before uploading the code, make sure that the ESP IDF version you are using is 5.53. This is a mandatory requirement. Then select the ESP32-S3 chip. Now everything is ready. After clicking the button for code upload, wait for the code to be uploaded completely. You will then be able to see the effect shown at the beginning of this section.